Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup challenge that I set it up for myself. I'm hoping to create a green eyeshadow look, as I never tried this color before. The most common eye look I would go for is more brown, earthy color, or sometime orange tone base, or even purple tone base. Purple is my favorite color. During summertime I may go for a little bit orange, light pink. I've even done blue before. I've done yellow as well, but I never ever tried green. And since I bought the Florasis eye palette number G03, I never used it. I have no idea how to work with this color. Oh, by the way, this eye palette, I introduced it on my previous video last month. Is on the Florasis unboxing video. I will link that one and here if you're interested. Today we're going to try this on my eyes. It's going to be first time that I'm using this palette. Let's see. Let me zoom you guys in. Firstly, I will use this color on my eyes. This is more brownish. I mentioned before that the texture for this and the formulation for this is quite interesting. When you touch it, you feel like you touch a concealer. So it's very buttery, creamy, but when you put on your skin, it becomes a powder. Very powdery like, very easy to blend it out. I'm quite intrigued to try this color. Let's see. I'm just going to put this and color all over my eyelid, use as kind of a background or base of my eye color. Therefore, I think won't make the green looks too awkward on my eyes. It's actually a very nice color, very nice base color. Okay, this is from the brown color of the eye palette. Seems quite natural, look fine on the eye. And that's changed to a smaller brush. Then let's see how pigmented they are first. I want to see whether these two colors, which one actually darker. Oh, the color is very nice, but just a little bit hesitate to put actually on my eyes. Let's see this one. Okay, this one is slightly darker, than we're gonna use this one a little bit later than that. Dip into this color. This I think will be the main color for today. I think I'm just gonna be a little bit light-handed just in case I put too much. So first the same, I'm going to just tap this into the area I like this color to be, then blend it out. It looks like I've been punched by someone. Never mind, hey ho, it's a try on, isn't it? We're only going to try to find out whether it's suitable for us or not. Now I extend this a little bit to the front, then extend this just above my double eyelid. Let's get a little bit more. I think the green may work better for special occasion, or if you go for event. Let's see at the end. I may, make the too quick judgment, but so far I still feel a little bit weird. I'm just going to change to a little bit fluffy blending brush just to blend out the edge, make it a little bit more smooth. Do I look like I've been punctured by someone? Do you think I should put a little bit more? Let's go for it. Let's go for it. You know what? I'm going to dip my finger into it just to make the color a little bit more pigment. This green has a little bit of fall off. So you probably can see a little bit here, but it's okay. We fix it later. Then let's do under eye area. Let's give a little bit. Ooh. Tap it off, tap it off. I will look like a panda soon. Let's make the other eye look like being punched as well. Oh God. Yeah, I am not going out afterwards. Okay, as we're gonna go green, so I'm not gonna using the pink one. I'm going to use the more green based shimmer color over here. I think this one you will need to use your finger. I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle and towards the front. Oh, I like this one. It's a nice fine glitter in there. It's giving you a very, very nice glow. This one makes me feel a little bit happier. I kind of don't know how to continue, but we will. I think I will use the white glitter over here and just to put a little bit in my inner corner and the front of my eye. Oh, this one. Oh, I thought this is just pearl white, but it's actually not. It has a green base into it and is much more shiny than the other one. Ooh. Luckily I didn't get too much. Oh my God, today's going to be a fun day. I don't want to say I give up, as I won't give up halfway through, but this look is going to be very interesting once it's finished. Anyway, then I'm gonna dip into this slightly darker color and just put at the back of my eye, tap it off. I am going to use a blending brush, dip it into the lightest color. It's like a light yellow, very, very light yellow, like a skin color. Just going to go over my full eyelid just to make it a smoother transition between all the eyeshadows, as it's not blended well in a way. I'm going to zoom you guys back just to see from normal distance what does the look like. From normal distance it looks better than you're zoomed in, so don't get too closer to me. I don't want you to be scared. I can say that I kind of finished the eyes, but I'm still intrigued to try the shimmer color in the middle. It has bigger glitters in there. It is a very, very pretty color, but I kind of don't know where to put now. You know what? I put under my eye here, just to see, you know what, I think this one needs to be wetted in order to get the pigment out. Just zoom you back in. And going to get a small brush. Come on. Ooh. Small brush. Wet it. Then dip into the middle shimmer color. I think if you are a professional makeup artist, you will also like this palette. It's very easy to work with and the color is very unique. Well, at least for me. I never tried the green. Well, of course, you know, with better techniques and color combinations, you know, professional eye in terms of how you can mix match those colors will definitely make it better, you know, compared to what I'm wearing today. But today is just to kind of show you guys, if you're a normal person as me, not a professional makeup artist, you know, what we're gonna work with green eyeshadows. You may actually like it, you know, different people have different tastes, but for me so far, unless it's a special occasion, I don't think I'm gonna use this on a daily basis. At least I tried. Let me finish eyeliners and eyelashes just to see if make this look better. Okay, I think it looks better with eyeliner and eyelashes on. Let me zoom you in a little bit just to see. I think once you have eyeliners, it gives you a good shape of your eye, actually make this look better than it was. But it's still a little bit awkward, I feel, on my eyes. Do you guys like it? Well, I think it turns out not too bad. You know, although in the beginning I just feel like my eyes are being punched by someone, but once I finished with eyeliner and eyelashes, it actually looks okay. I can accept that. I still feel a little bit weird with the green color on my eyes. I think I just need to get used to it. I think this look for special occasions, or you have a green dress that you go for a party or go for event. This eye look, I think, is totally acceptable, and it also has a lot of blings and really shine up your eye if it's in the evening party or anything. So, give you guys a little bit idea. Oh, let me finish the lipstick. That probably make the whole look a little bit better. So now I finish with lipstick. That make me feel even better. This look, if I have a green dress, I probably gonna do it again for special occasions, special events, birthday parties or New Year's parties. As long as you close go with it, or even wear a black dress that you want to try different eye makeup, I think this one is actually very nice. For day-to-day, everyday look, I'm not too sure. I think for my liking, I think I haven't got the makeup technique to make it look natural or become a day-to-day look. I would still use this palette for special events, but overall it is not too bad. Okay, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like this video, please give a thumb up, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one.